Hey, good morning. It's Sunday, June 29th, and it is 10:36 a.m. I wanted to start this week off, this week in review off, with a dedication to two of my friends. That should be coming up right after this clip now. Okay, so what I did is I couldn't find any good markers from this distance that you'd be able to see, so I drew a red ring around my outside passenger tire in the front, and I found a tire off to the side that I put there. When my wheel is completely past it, it crossed the line, and you should be able to see that. Then on the right there is a black rim that I found on the ground. So when the back of my tire crosses that, the back of my front tire crosses that rim, I will be completely across the line. I wanted to, and I don't know. I don't really care if people think it's stupid or people have a problem with it. If anyone thinks it's stupid, they can go fuck themselves. I wanted to dedicate this poll to two people that meant and mean a lot to me. They were and are good friends. The first person would be Kyle Marshalik. I knew him since I was in kindergarten, about 5. He passed away last year. Complications from muscular dystrophy. He's my best friend. Just all in all, he's my best friend. I definitely fell apart after he died. And he was just always like my rock, like my foundation. He'd help me with everything. I really don't know what else to say because I don't want to get all emotional. And he would just love to see me doing this. The other person is my friend Gordon. He lives out in Washington. I was talking to him a while ago, and he's pretty much just said, like, you only live once and you should try this. He has a lot of problems too, but yeah, if it wasn't for the mix of Kyle and Gordon definitely pushed me to start working out and doing this type of stuff. And I just want to say thank you to you guys. I really mean it. I really want to say thank you. And from here on out, all my time runs and everything, they're going to be based around this. What goes down now right here. So, thanks guys. Oh man, that could not have went any more fucking perfect. Yeah, I can't imagine that it went going any better. That was fucking awesome. Like I said, Kyle, Gordon, that was from you, for you, and Can only go uphill from here, buddies. Hey guys, can only fucking go uphill from here. I did not eat the best at all this week. From having hot wings on Monday to, I don't even know, some kind of cream corn mix that I made myself on Tuesday to steaks on Wednesday. I just really didn't eat that good. But I did lose 3.2 pounds. I was hoping to lose 5 at the least, but a loss is a loss. If I ate better a couple meals, I guarantee I probably would have lost the 2 pounds or more, but you live, you learn. The next coming week, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do doubles now, because each week I'm building. As my endurance and my stamina goes up, then so will the time and length of my workouts. So everything I did the first week, I'm going to continue to do. All the new stuff that I added this past week, I'm going to continue to do. And what I'm going to add starting on Tuesday is doubles. Every other day, after I do my workout in the morning, 6-7 hours later, I'm going to go out and do the same exact workout again. I'm changing my diet. My friends pointed out to me that my metabolism is probably just off the charts. I go from eating 2 meals in a relative time to waiting like 6-7 hours before I'm eating my supper. And then my supper is just like one huge meal. So as of tomorrow, I'm going to change my diet a little bit and tweak it. Try to eat, say, 4 to 6 small meals throughout the course of the day to keep my metabolism active all day, as well as like when I'm sleeping, everything like that. Just keep it working at a good pace. And let you know how I'm doing when I put my next video up on Thursday. Alright, talk to you later.